Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to check if your iPhone is original or duplicate on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Safari app on your iPhone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just open this website. Now from here, as you can see, it is asking us to enter the serial number of our iPhone. Now to get the serial number of our iPhone, just go to your home screen and open the Settings app. Then go to General, and from here just tap on About. Now as you can see, this is the serial number of our iPhone. Now just tap and hold on the serial number and select Copy. Now once you copy the serial number of your iPhone, now just go back to the Safari app and paste the copied serial number over here. Then tap on Submit. Now as you can see, the Apple Coverage Check website has recognized our iPhone. As you can see, this is the model number of our iPhone, and it has also given us the purchase date of our iPhone. And if you find the details of your iPhone in this website, this means that your iPhone is original. And this is how you can check if your iPhone is original or duplicate. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.